Hi, I am Emy Sugano, mobility consultant at 𝗨𝗏𝗊𝗀 Solution. If your company is looking for a faster and more efficient way to transfer talent to the United States, the blanket permit could be exactly what you need. Let's break it down. The blanket permit is a special program within the L-1 visa category that allows multinational companies to transfer multiple employers to the USA under a single, pre-approved petition. Instead of filing a separate application for I-129 for every employer, qualifying company received a blanket approval from USCIS. This simplifies and speed up the process of moving executive managers and specialized knowledge professionals across borders. Once a blanket petition is approved, the company can send eligible employees directly to a USA consulate abroad to apply for their visas. No need to wait for the USCIS adjudication each time. So not every company can use the blanket permits. To qualify, you must have at least 3 or more domestic and foreign branches, subsidiary or affiliated, and meet one of the following criteria: have obtained 10 or more L-1 approvals in the past 12 months, have USA annual sales of at least $25 million, or employ 1,000 or more people in the USA. This requirement ensures that the program is reserved for large, well-established multinational companies with a proven need for internal talent mobility. Here is how it works. First, the company files a blanket L petition with USCIS listing all qualifying entities with the corporate group. If approved, the blanket petition is valid for an initial period of 3 years, and it can be renewed indefinitely as long as the company continues to meet the eligibility criteria. When a qualifying employee needs to transfer to the USA, they don't need separate USCIS approval. Instead, they go straight into the USA consulate with supporting documents. So, to be eligible under the blanket, the employee must have worked abroad for the company for at least one continuous year within the past 3 years. The role in the USA must be either executive, managerial, or requiring specialized knowledge. And the relationship between the foreign and USA entity must be clarity document. This process can significantly reduce delays and paperwork, especially for companies with recurring transfer needs. The blanket permit offers several strategic advantages. Speed. Employers can go straight to consular proceedings without waiting months for USCIS approval. Efficiency. A single petition covers the whole organization, which means fewer legal fees and less administrative burden. Scalability. It makes global workforces planning smoother, especially for companies expanding quickly. Consistency. Centralized process improves compliance and reduces the risk of errors. It's especially powerful for industries that rely on high volumes of talent mobility, like tech, engineering, energy, and manufacturing. The blanket permit isn't just a shortcut. It's a smart investment for companies that need agility in their international operations. At 𝗨𝗏𝗊𝗀 Solution, we specialize in helping global companies navigate the complexities of USA immigration. From assessing eligibility to managing your blanket approval and preparing each consular case, we have got you covered. Let's accelerate your growth one visa at a time. Reach out to us today.